Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on the MEXC Demo account. So you can avail the MEXC Demo account in MEXC's official website, that is MEXC.co, and you can even use the MEXC mobile application, whichever method is suitable for you. So you need to simply launch your app because I'm about to show that in the application. So here tap on the trade option in the bottom, and over here you need to tap on futures in the top first. Then you will see the three dots in the top right hand corner. So tap on these three dots, and here you will see the sixth option of demo trading. So tap on demo trading and it will give you 50,000 USDT in your demo account. So you need to tap on try now. Then you will be landed on this page where you will see the charting. Basically you can now do demo trading with just simple step. You can just place your order. You have the chart in front of you, so you can just apply your trading skills, and according to your trading skills you can just place the long position and the short position. So if you want to actually create your account here, I will put the link of it down in the description, and right now they are giving you $8,000 worth of sign up bonuses. So it would be great in your trading journey. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.